behind us. Here we go, guys, here we go.
I love it. All right, guys, we just pulled into the marina where the Leopard 48 is. The Leopard 48.
This is the one we've been dreaming of, so I'm a little bit nervous for some reason. I don't know why.
Well, you know, because
Butterflies.
you build things up in your head as to what you think it's going to be. And if it doesn't live up to that, then you're like, ooh.
Time to start the search over.
I know. Guys, what do you think about the Leopard 48 that we're almost here?
I think it's going to be really cool.
All right, so we have the Leopard 45, 50, 58, 48, because that's when we're going to see. I'm excited.
All right, so we had an appointment over here with Tom. We're gonna check in and get all that figured out. Man, this boys look big over here.
I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away.
All right, so here's the Leopard 45. Unbelievable boat. Love it. That's all I can say. I love it.
I just wanna see you on my new grave.
Yeah.
Now you can sit facing forward when you're sitting.
That's amazing. So really cool little seating area out here. Come out here and relax. Sandy really loves the seating area, right? What do you feel about the seating area?
I'm all about big seating areas, yes.
So is the trampoline big enough next?
Yeah.
But does it make a difference?
Yeah.
It does. All right, so this is the thing that's got us in a dilemma here. Is this little lounge upstairs. It's absolutely wonderful and epic. Just a cool spot to come hang out and enjoy the view up here. Helm is right here, so you can kind of be in between and be able to talk to people on top and also be able to talk to people down at the bottom. So, Nix, what do you think about this one?
Good.
Good, good. I think all the different levels is really cool. I'm gonna go check out the inside real quick.
Door. And so this is way better usage than the one we saw yesterday, right? So functional desk.
Wow, look at this.
The one thing I love about this boat is all of the windows down here, opposed to typical boats where you just get the little slit. So I love, love, love all of the windows. The desk. There we go. Very nice.
And this is what you get with
Very
the bonus
large
suite.
bathroom. Nice size shower. You can take it off.
Oh my God, you scared me. So what do you think about this room?
Look. You see this button?
Yep. Whoa, there's all your clothes going there, huh?
Do you see all the windows? Lots of shelving. You like this one? Oh, she likes it! Hey, all right. Okay, guys, are we good here?
Yes.
Did you get enough for the outside? Now, for people that live abroad, right? Say for us, family of 5, what are other options for
Bigger
more fridge
refrigerator.
space?
So you're here, and I see people convert this to a very large fridge.
Yeah. What do you think about having this table so big?
Amazing.
Giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want. This time I'll be gonna take
All right, so here we're going on Leopard 50. 1.2 million.
All right, so here is the Leopard 50. It is gorgeous.
I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright.
So this would be an owner's suite right here. One of the cool things about this, again, is the massive monstrosity bathtub. I am 6'1" tall, and as you can see, we're walking all around this crazy thing. We've got room for days in the shower, which is kind of unheard of for a boat. But a boat this size, you will get lots of room.
It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so
Here. Wow, look at this. Bathroom is actually pretty big for what it is.
This would be optimal with the owner suite and the 3 bedrooms.
Cabin number 3. Lots of room in there.
we head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again,
This thing is crazy.
pieces of love,
Beautiful amount of
it's
room in here, beautiful
alright.
light.
Scattered in
Laundry.
mud, it's alright.
Laundry in here.
You're giving me a ride again. And tell me what you want. This time I won't take it.
Okay,
Next
look.
come out in there, have your morning coffee.
This is how I want the trampoline.
I love it.
So when you're walking through this boat, you want to try to avoid the hatches. Hangout area up here. Oh, it might be wet.
Oh yeah, I think we found our new favorite boat.
Cuddle me, blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little
Hey, is this Captain Ryder?
Captain Ryder at your service.
And you can stand up here, and then not a clue when like and showed us to use our feet when it's too long.
So the one thing that they say is really cool about the Leopards is it's a one-man operation. You can control everything from up here. You can still be a part of what's going on up at the top, and still be a part of what's going on down at the bottom because you're halfway in between. And all these levers and stuff can be done by one person up in the helm area. So really cool concept.
This is so cool. I just want to buy this boat and sail to Bahamas and Jamaica.
Alright, so the one thing I do notice is the size of the windows are huge compared to some of the other ones where they're a lot smaller. I really love being able to see out as much as possible. The windows downstairs, that, you know, there's just more than that little slit. My favorite thing so far. Alright, so we have to drive to the other side of the marina because that's where the 48 is. And you know what? The 48 has definitely lost its luster. Yes, it may cost a little more, but
Has it lost its luster when it's 4 times the amount of the boat we just looked at?
it means we just have to make a few more bucks.
So as you can see inside these warehouses here, this is where they keep all the boats so they don't get messed up. This is pretty epic inside of these warehouses.
This is epic. How much engines do those have? Okay, this fell.
All right, so now we're getting over here to the other side of the marina where they have a Leopard 48, which is what we kind of have our eye on. More in our price point anyway than 1.2 million. All right, what do you think?
Oh, well, when you come from those
You
guys.
can't compare that though. All right, so now we're on the Leopard 48. This is one we kind of had our eye on for a while. Nice little fly bridge up here. What do you think?
This is just the helm.
Helm, that's right, the helm.
This is the helm, darling.
Can you imagine cruising over the seas in this beautiful boat? Phil Nixon found the trampoline. What year was this one?
He doesn't know anything about it.
So far, feels pretty good. I mean, size-wise, it's not
Yeah.
doable. Man, so the heart's pitter-pattering a little bit. Starting to imagine what it would feel like to be cruising across the Pacific, or down to the Bahamas, or over in Fiji, Southeast Asia, and this freaking vessel right here. That would be just epic. One-of-a-kind experience. We're so excited to get into this sailing realm. And you know, it's a lot. It's a little bit overwhelming at first, but the more you get into it, the more you realize just how peeling back the layers And it's all doable, man. You just got to get out there and try something new. So this would be our main hangout area right here. This would where everybody be chilling most of the time, doing their homework, schoolwork, hanging, getting ready to go dive in. We just want to feel this out and make sure there's enough room back here for everybody. And I think it feels pretty good. Yeah, so. And as you can see,
feels like it's a little roomier.
it does feel roomy.
If there's a risk of a wave coming in, this is not probably where you want to be.
Yeah.
So this is a beautiful little spot. You're sitting out here to kind of hang out and enjoy everything. All right, so this would be down.
It's a little dark, so I'm
Yeah,
gonna
it's
raise
right
this up for you.
All right, so there's a bed inside of a bed up there. So it's nice to have these windows all the way across here, letting some of that natural light that
is,
Sandy
yeah.
keeps talking about.
I love the natural light. I don't like a dark, dungeony
Yeah.
bedroom.
So I would want the 4 bedrooms, I think.
What's that?
I said I would want the 4 bedrooms, I think, just because it's nice
No, quick. RV.
to have the extra space to be in.
Here, you know what I could do? Maybe I could give you a flashlight. Make it a little brighter.
Let me hold it on.
Yeah, do that. All right.
I kind of like the 4 bedrooms just in case we have people over or whatever. It's a good experience.
Yeah.
More room. I don't really care about having
Really, I
a
like a.
big bathroom.
Yeah, I mean it's not a deal breaker by any means.
All right, let me do a little pan here. All right, we come over to the kitchen here. Does the kitchen have enough room? That's what we're trying to figure out. Our RV is probably from about here to here. So to have all this space, I think it'll be pretty cool. Over here is the navigation station or the workstation where we could sit up and do all of our computer work. So if you're thinking about this, is all your refrigeration right here. So you've got to figure out how to fit everything into there. All your food goes under the floor here. Nice little seating area here. So we're trying to figure out if there's enough room in here. I definitely think there's enough room in here for everybody.
I think there's
And to do all of our
a lot
stuff.
of room in here.
Got some wonderful visibility out here in the front. So as you're driving, you kind of see where you're going. All right, so this one's already sold, but the big issue that we're having is, do we need a fly bridge up here or a seating area or a deck? So we're gonna have to see that to really make that decision. But kind of leaning toward the yes. This ship is really, really great. I think it'd be enough room for us. I really feel like it would be.
Yes, we need the fly bridge because when you're sick, you can go up there and look at the horizon and that's all hot. Yes.
Do we need the fly bridge?
Yes.
Do we need a fly bridge?
Yeah, because I want to work all the motion controls.
All right, Sandy. So what'd you think about seeing?
Oh man, they're so beautiful. It's like God.
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah. It's
Definitely.
almost like you're speechless picturing, okay, get a little shot of that. Picturing this. All right, so picturing us right there in that crystal clear blue water is amazing. And that's what I want, so be with that.
All right, so I think that wraps up this video on checking out some leopards. We saw a Leopard 50, a Leopard 45, and a Leopard 48.
I just have a funny smile on my face because I'm just falling in love with these boats. Never in my life would I have said that before. Never. Scared of deep water, girl? No. But now, I don't know. I love facing your fears and going, what the hell? I'm not gonna be scared of that.
And
And